Hello everyone, I would like to show you a quick demo of Transkriptor. So this is the main dashboard of Transkriptor. Here you see the different options, ways to transcribe an audio or video file. You can record and transcribe. You can upload a file and transcribe. You can transcribe from YouTube URL, or you can transcribe from any cloud like Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, and you can just put the file URL and then you can transcribe audio or video file. When it comes to meeting transcription, there are two ways to do it. The first one is the manual way, where you can transcribe a meeting, and then you can share the meeting URL here. You can choose the meeting language, whether it is English, Turkish, Portuguese, Spanish, whatever, and you can then say start recording, and the meeting assistants will join the meeting, and it will wait in the lobby, and you need to accept it to get into the meeting and start recording the meeting. The second way is more automated way where you can actually connect your calendar. So once you connect your Microsoft Outlook or Google Calendar, Transkriptor will be able to see all your meetings, and then it will join the meetings automatically. And if you don't want the Transkriptor meeting assistants not to join any of your meetings, you can just turn off auto join like this, and then it won't join this meeting. But by default, if you connect your calendar, it will join all your meetings in your calendar. So after the meeting transcription, the meeting transcription will appear in the files, where you can click and see the full meeting transcription. On the right hand side, you'll see the full meeting transcription separated by the speaker and with the timestamp. You can also play the video recording of the meeting. You can download the meeting transcripts in different formats. You can translate it to any other language, or you can hide timestamps, hide speakers, etc. And you can share by copying the sharing link, or via writing an email, and to send the meeting transcription. On the left hand side, you'll see the AI powered features like AI chat summary. So after each call, there is a default summary generated. Depending on the context, it identifies the topics for the meeting summary, and always finish with action items for each person. Uh, this is the default summary. You can also choose any other templates from our template library. So we have more than 35 templates for different functions, reasons, or the purpose of the summary. For example, for HR, if this is a job interview meeting, you can just select this. You can say use this template, and then it will generate the summary in that structure. Or you can create your own templates. You can just write the prompts here, instructions here. You can create your own summary structure for transcriptions as well. You have also AI chat feature, where you can ask question and get answer, and answer will be based on the transcripts, of course. Other than that, I would like to show some other important features. The first one is the workspace. So workspace is shared work folders for multiple people. So if you create a workspace and if you invite team members to this workspace, then the people in this workspace will be able to see each other's transcripts. So to do that, you need to invite members, and then once you invite the people in the workspace, uh, whenever you put any of your transcripts in those workspaces, the other people will be able to see the transcripts as well. Knowledge base is also an important feature. Knowledge base is like AI chats, but where you can talk to multiple transcripts or files. So here you can choose, like, let's say, these two files. Whenever you create a new chat, then you will be talking to these two transcripts concurrently. So let's say you had a client and you had three different meetings with the same clients. And if you want to talk to these three meeting transcripts at the same time, you should use knowledge base so that it will bring a more holistic picture in terms of information, etc. Because sometimes the information might be split into three different meetings, so that you will have a more holistic knowledge base when you use the AI chat. Uh, I would like to also show a little bit more information about the meeting assistants. So when you come to the meeting assistant, you can change the settings for meeting assistant. So first of all, the meeting language. So you can choose your meeting default language for your meetings. So in that case, if it is English, you can just set it to English, and it will try to transcribe your meetings in English. Or if you do meetings in multiple languages, then you can select auto detect, so that the meeting assistants will be able to recognize the language of the meeting, and then it will transcribe accordingly. You can change your meeting assistant's name. You can change the destination of the transcripts. So by default, it will come to files, but as you remember, we discussed workspaces. So if you want your meetings to automatically show up in specific workspaces, you can choose your destination here. You can change the meeting assistant's image. You can upload your own image. Um, you can there is also, after the meetings, we send summary emails to meeting participants. Here you can choose whom you want to send the meeting summary as an email after the meeting. Is it just you or internal attendees? By internal attendee, we mean the people who has the same um, email address domain with you, company email address domain, or external attendees, or all or none. Also, in advanced options, you have you can choose when your meeting assistant to join the meeting. Is it like before 5 minutes ago, by default like this, or you can also specify uh, when you want it to join. Um, Other than that, maybe I can also mention another important thing, which is on the preferences. You can select when you want your transcriptions to be deleted. So by default, we store all your transcriptions and video recordings for 2 years, but you can specify when you want them to be deleted. For example, you can say, okay, like I would like to be all my transcriptions to be deleted after 2 hours. You can specify like this. Uh, Also, you can specify when the audio files to be deleted, so that you won't be we won't be storing the meeting transcripts or any other transcripts or video file for 2 years. Yeah, that's it for now. Just let me know if you happen to have any questions. I will be happy to help. Thank you.